Good morning, children. I hope you are all fine by the grace of God. Welcome to second session. Social Studies, Paper 2, Chapter 14, National Movement in India, Partition and Independence, 1939 to 1947. In the last introduction class, we have learned about the division of Congress into two groups. One group want to support the Britishers in World War II and another group was denying to support. And we have also learned about the importance of Government of India Act in 1935. We have already learned about the formation of new organizations such as Muslim League, Hindu Mahasabha and the RSS. Let us start the lesson. Children, as this is a very vast chapter, we have to cover each and every concept in detail. So today I'll try to cover two concepts, the Pakistan resolution and who will make the British quit India. Let us start the lesson. When the people of India started revolting against the rule of British, they started divide and rule policy. Though Congress argued that Hindus and Muslims were not people of two different nations, but part and parcel of the one Indian nation. Most of the freedom fighters felt that separate governing arrangements were needed for regions where Muslims were in majority. One of the important person who also coined this is the Urdu poet Muhammad Iqbal, the writer of the song Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara, spoke a need of Northwest Indian Muslim state in one of his speech in the year 1930. Pakistan. Actually, this is an abbreviation. P. Punjab, A. Afghanistan, K. Kashmir, S. Sindh, Balochistan, Tan. The last three words they have included it. As to pronounce the word is quite difficult, so they have inserted the letter I to get a proper pronunciation of Pakistan. Observe this slide. You can see that northwestern these provinces is going to be emerge as a new nation. The name Pakistan was coined by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, the young Punjabi Muslim student of Cambridge, wrote in pamphlets between 1933 to 1935. He desired a separate national status for this new entity. Entity means a thing with distinct and independent existence. But Muslim League and other leaders dismissed his idea merely as a student's dream. You can see this slide, even the same caption you're having in your textbook, refer page number 206. Even Ambedkar also insisted that there is a need to have a separate nation for the particular community. Now, let us understand first the meaning of resolution. Resolution means a firm decision to do or not to do something. So on 23rd March 1940, the Muslim League moved a resolution and demanded for autonomy. Autonomy means the right of self-government for the parts of the subcontinent where Muslims were in majority. But this resolution never mentioned the word partition or Pakistan, but later years it became known as Pakistan Resolution. From 1940 to 1946, the League convinced Muslim masses about the benefits and need for a separate nation. From 1942 to 45, most Congress leaders were in jail. The League made use of the time to build its base among the people. So till here we have covered a first side heading, that is Pakistan resolution. Let us move to the second topic, who will make the British quit India. By 1941, Japan had started expanding it into Southeast Asia. The British wanted Indian people to support it in the war against Japan. In 1942, Sir Stafford Cripps, who was one of a minister sent by Prime Minister Winston Churchill to India to try and make a compromise with Gandhiji and the Congress. But these talks were failed. The reason for the failure is that the Congress insisted that the Viceroy should first appoint an Indian as the directive member of his executive council. After the failure of the Cripps mission, Mahatma Gandhi decided to launch his third major movement against the British rule, Quit India. Children, I'll stop now as Quit India movement is having a lot of incidents which you have to go in detail. So let us recapitulate what we have learned in this section. In this session, we learn about the Pakistan resolution, meaning of a resolution, Britishers' policy of divide and rule, need to have a two-nation theory, and the reasons for the failure of Cripps mission. Let us go for a home assignment. Locate the given places on the world map: India, Pakistan, Sindh, Balochistan, and Japan. And children, keep a separate notebook for doing this home assignment. Thank you.